Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you some ideas to decorate your table for Christmas. I decided I wanted a little more of a organic feel, so I went with a little bit of a dried orange craft here. This is the first time I've ever done this. You preheat your oven 200 degrees or 250 depending how strong your oven is, and you slice your oranges and then leave them in the oven for about 3 to 6 hours depending on your oven. And then I decided I wanted to add some greenery to these napkins. I have this beautiful mustard yellow ribbon wrapped around these napkins, and then I added this wiring around the ribbon to just add a little more color to the table setting. I wanted to have some touches of gold, so what I ended up doing was I grabbed my mirror that I have with the beautiful gold frame, and I used that as a centerpiece, and then I put a garland that we had on hand, and it was a little too long to have straight across on the table, so I ended up putting it around the frame, which was kind of nice. And then I ended up adding this beautiful reindeer on top of the mirror as a centerpiece. I love candles, so you know I had to add some candles. I did switch out the gold candle holder and put the other amber one back in. So I found some cinnamon sticks, some star anise, and then those are the dried oranges, which turned out so beautifully. I just slowly added on the layers as I went. I didn't really have much of a plan when I started this. I just wanted it to be earthy and organic and not too much color, so I just added layers and layers, and you'll see how it turned out at the end. After seeing this, I felt like it needed a little bit of a red touch, so I did use some of my mom's plastic red berries that she had on hand. So I just added a little bit of the berries, nothing crazy, to just give it that wintry feel, and I thought it turned out so beautifully. I love how this looks, and I know it might be much for some people, but if you have some of these things on hand, this is a great idea to work with what you have and just be creative and give it your own personal touch. I ended up switching one of the candles for the red because I thought it was a little more festive than the lighter color. So what do you guys think? I think it turned out so beautifully. I love the earthy organic feel, but also a little bit of vintage added onto it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here. If you did enjoy it, share this video with someone that would also enjoy it and maybe get a few ideas. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Comment down below, like this video. Thank you guys so much for a wonderful year. I appreciate the support so much. It's been such a great year, and I hope that you have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time. Silent night, holy night.
innocent child, holy infant, so tender.